Hello everyone. Today we are going to use Google Translate in Google Sheets for translating these English statements into variety of other languages. So we are going to do this with the help of a formula which will help us translate more than one of our languages. I'll be showing how to translate these English statements into Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Arabic, Punjabi. So let's proceed. Before we dive in, we need to know a couple of things. Firstly, the target and the source language codes. I'll share the codes in the video description. Check it out. Most of the times, the codes is nothing but the first two characters of the language. Please remember this is a case sensitive. So as you know, every formula in Excel sheet starts with equal to followed by the formula name. Here the formula we have is equal to Google Translate. Let me type that Google Translate. Here it popped up for me. If we observe, this formula is expecting three arguments for me: text, source language, and target language. Here text is nothing but the cell in which you have a data. In my case, I have a data in cell number A2, comma, source language. My source language is English. The code would be EN. And my target language. My target language is Hindi, which is HI. Let me close this double quotes, close the bracket, enter. We see here loading, right? Loading is nothing but in the backend, Google Translator is converting the equivalent English statement into the code which we have given in the formula. Now let me drag this for the bottom things. Yeah, thank you so much. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. See, what is your name? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? Where do you live? आप कहाँ रहते हो? Right? Now let's give a try for Telugu. So formula would be again Google Translate. Cell in which I have data is A2, comma. My source language is English, EN, comma. My target language is Telugu, TE, close double quotes, then bracket, then enter. Now let me try for Tamil. So it should be Google Translate A2, comma. My source language is in English, comma. And my target language is Tamil, which is TA, close double quotes, close bracket, enter. So meanwhile it's loading, I'll complete the other things. Equal to Google Translate A2, comma. My source language is in English, comma, my target language is here Arabic, which is AR. Okay, enter. Now let me try for the last language. Google Translate A2, comma, my source language is in English, comma, my target language is PB. For Punjabi it's PB. Okay, enter. So now I want to know the equivalent Telugu word for this remaining English statements. So what I'm going to do is just drag here till the bottom of the cell where I want the formulas. I'm gonna do the same for the other things as well. Okay, okay, there is some issue. Let me check what is the code for Punjab. Okay, for Punjabi it's PA. Let me enter that PA. Okay, it's loading. Yeah, it's done. Okay, let us cross check. Forgive me, what is in Telugu it's నన్ను క్షమించు and in Hindi मुझे माफ कर दो. Okay, this is how you can translate a language using the Google Sheets. Say suppose tomorrow one of my friend gave me a dog which has this language. So I don't know what this language is, but I wanted to know what is that content. Yes, I can do that again with the help of a Google Translate. Let me type that equal to Google Translate. Where is my cell data? It is, I have my data in cell number D6, right? D6, comma. See, here I don't know what language is this. I don't know the source language. So now what I want is, I want Google Translator to identify the language. So if you want to do that, what you need to mention in source code is auto. Auto means translator will identify the language for us. and my target language is, say, suppose Telugu. నువ్వు చాలా ముద్దుగా ఉన్నావు. ఓకే. సో ఈక్వివాలెంట్ లాంగ్ తెలుగు స్టేట్మెంట్ ఫర్ దిస్ ఈస్ నువ్వు చాలా ముద్దుగా ఉన్నావు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.